Okay, so what I want to do is show you how to make an all-purpose cleaner that you can use for your countertops, your stove tops, your fridge, your sinks, your tubs, everything. I'm going to show you, and it just uses, apart from water, just one ingredient. It is, well, chemical-free, meaning no hazardous, no toxic chemicals. It's natural. It is absolutely fantastic, biodegradable, environmentally friendly, and it is dead easy to do. So throw away those chemical cleaners, those Harpix, those whatever you're using to use that. And I'm also going to show you an alternative if, say, the stove top or pots and pans, that if you need a bit more abrasive quality, I'm going to show you how to do that completely natural, toxic, chemical-free, once again, with one other simple product. They are inexpensive and you'll never have to use chemicals again. So hopefully you've seen my other video about how the biggest footprint, chemical footprint, are your floors. And I've shown you 3 alternatives in my other video. If you haven't seen that, go back to see that, because that is your biggest footprint to remove chemicals. So if you're still using floor cleaners, you'll see in my other video how they're basically useless to studies have shown, and I've shown you better, more effective, natural ways where you smell fantastic essential oils instead of these horrible chemical fragrances. So once again, have a look at that if you haven't seen that. This one I'm going to show you for an all-purpose cleaner, so that is your second biggest footprint of using chemicals. So once you've got your floors sorted, now you're going to do the all-purpose cleaner, and as I say, if you need more abrasive quality, more of a scouring quality, I'm going to show you how to do that. And again, so you're going to go from chemicals to natural, and this basically covers the majority of your house with 1, the all-purpose cleaner, and 2, with your floors. Okay, I'll show you the video. All right, so let's get into our next product. Now, but first we do, I want to say congratulations, because you've now addressed the lowest hanging fruit, the biggest bang for your buck to change from chemicals to natural by changing the floors. Now, for no other reason, if it was only because you now know that floor cleaners are virtually useless. They're shonky. So if only you used Castile soap or a steam mop or the options from the website that I showed you, any of these are going to make a massive impact, because think of the floor spaces, your living room, your kitchen, your bathroom, your kids' bedrooms, your bedroom, outdoor terrace areas. All of these will no longer have this synthetic fragrance. You now no longer have the cost of floor cleaners, and you know, because they don't even work apart from the chemicals and apart from these potentially harmful irritants. You've now made a massive, massive difference in your house or your apartment. Right, now let's make the second biggest difference in changing from chemicals to natural, and that is an all-purpose cleaner. Non-abrasive, all-purpose cleaner, so that you can use on virtually everything. Your marble tops, your stone tops, your granite, your kitchen tops, your countertops, your wood, your outdoor furniture, all of these things where you would use be like Mr. Muscle, your showers, your tubs, all this sort of thing, will be using your all-purpose, non-abrasive cleaner. Right, so how do we do that? Well, guess what? It's dead easy. All you're going to do, you need to have a 1 quart, which is 1 litre bottle, some sort of spray bottle that we can use to spray. Right, now what you're going to do, you are going to get your Castile soap. Get your Castile soap, 1/4 of a cup of your Castile soap, so it's 1/4 of a cup to a quart, which is a litre of water. So what you want to do, you first want to fill up, okay, so 3/4 full of your litre bottle, 3/4 full of water. Because if you put your Castile soap in first and then you add the water, it's going to all bubble up. All right, so water first. So round about 3/4 full, put in your 1/4 of a cup of Castile soap, and there you go. You suddenly have, in seconds, an all-purpose, non-abrasive spray that you can use all over, which works brilliantly. And of course, this has got essential oils in it, so it smells absolutely fantastic. Now, could you add some more essential oils? Yeah, of course you could. But do I? No, I don't. This smells amazing. The other thing you could do is you could have like 2 different types of Castile soaps, or more than that, because I know Bronner's have different essential oils in their products. I think they've got 8 different options. So you could have a citrusy one for your floors. Well, I use peppermint because it repels insects, as I said to you. So I use that on my floors, but you might want to have your all-purpose cleaner with tea tree or eucalyptus. And I talk more about essential oils later on, but you could just have like a different aroma. And again, it's essential oils. It's not synthetic fragrance, which means you're getting the therapeutic benefits of these. So that's it, right? That is it. your all-purpose non-abrasive cleaner. But I hear you say, well, what if I've got some something like a stovetop that needs extra? Right, here's your simplest workaround. Remember our old friend, the baking soda here? The easiest way, let's just say you've got your spray and you wet it down there, then you can tip over, tip on top of that your powder, your baking soda, and then get your sponge or your mascara, and away you go. And you've got the abrasiveness. Now you've got your all-purpose cleaner with your abrasive powder, your baking soda, and then you can work your tubs, whatever it is that needs that little bit of extra a little bit of oomph, then you can use this for the abrasiveness, okay? Obviously be careful of whatever surfaces you don't, because this will scratch because it's abrasive, right? So that is it. All-purpose spray. So now you've got your floor cleaner. Now you've got your all-purpose natural non-abrasive spray, and you've got an easy alternative. If you need a little bit of extra elbow grease, you can just sprinkle this on top of whatever surface, whether it's your pots and pans, whatever. Right. That, in those just 2 products, this and your floor cleaner, have already made a massive difference in your house. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, you can comment below, and also your resources. I've got fantastic deals with bundles of my online courses, whether it's aromatherapy, whether it's massage. You can have a look at that, and if you're interested, you can go along, click the links, and see if that's something you'd like to do.